Hello students, this is the second part of my video in which we are going to discuss about operating system, library programs and utility programs. So in the first part of this video, which contains the lesson classification of software, I discussed about what is hardware, what is software, the definition of software, the different types of software like the system software, the application software, the mobile application. Again, there are subcategories, that is the system software is divided into system management program SMP and system development program SDP. The application software is divided into general purpose application software and specific or customized application software. So now we are going to discuss about the SMP, that is the system management program. So under the system management program, we have operating system, library programs, utility programs. So what is operating system? The short form of operating system is OS. We can write the short form of operating system as OS. So what is operating system? We can say the operating system is one of the main component of the system software. It is a collection of programs that manages and controls the two main components. So what are the two main components of a computer system? The hardware and the software. So it is the operating system that manages and controls the hardware and the software. So it manages and controls the hardware and software. So it is an essential part of a computer system. The computer hardware will be of no use until operating system is installed in it. So we can say the operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. So we can say it acts as an interface between the user and the computer. So it comes under the category of essential software. So operating system takes care lot of tasks. It does a lot of work, like it maintains the security, it controls the other applications, it controls the input output devices and much more. All these are done by the operating system. So what is operating system? We can say operating system is a part of the system software. It is a collection of programs that manages and controls the hardware and software. We can say the operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It does a lot of things for the computer. It takes care of various tasks, like it maintains the security of the system, it controls the input and output devices, etc. So nowadays we have different types of operating systems. So some are freeware. What is the meaning of freeware? Freeware means the software that can be freely downloaded from the internet. So freeware is a term which is used when we download any of the app from the internet free of cost. It is known as freeware. So the examples of freeware are Linux and Ubuntu. So we have another important term over here, freeware. So what is freeware? The apps or the software that can be downloaded free from the internet without any cost is known as freeware, and the examples of freeware are Linux and Ubuntu, Ubuntu. So we also use the mobile device, and in mobile device we have the operating system like Android and Symbian OS. So some of the operating system also have GUI interface like Windows and CUI interface like MS-DOS. So when we talk about the interface, we generally have two categories of interface. The first is CUI and the second is GUI. In GUI we have Windows by the help of which we can perform our work without remembering any command. We just have to click on it. And in CUI, we have DOS, Disk Operating System, in which we have to remember the commands to perform our job. So when we talk about the interface of operating system, there are two types of interface. The first one is CUI and the second one is GUI. See, the example of CUI is DOS, in which we have to remember the commands to perform our job. And the next interface is GUI. The example of GUI is Windows, in which we just have to click on the taskbar, the menu bars or the icons to perform our job. So this is about the operating system. The next topic that we will be discussing is library programs. We will be discussing this library program in the next video. Thank you.